Kong Ampareen Lyngdoh, Myntri Koit Khiah Jylla, kala pynbna nongthoh Khubor, yaki rai jong kynhun Myntri Cabinet meeting, kabalalong haka arpulai tarik Risaw arhajar arpusaw, Resubelpara, nongbah jong North Garo Hills District. Hakani jingialang ki Myntri Cabinet la pynbna, baka Sorkar kala rai ban pynbeit pynryntih yaki rukom trei jong ki Medical College Meghalaya, kiban sdang jinghikai snem arhajar arpusan hadu arpunrio. Sorkar kan sa pynbna katno tylli ki seat en pediang yaki Samla puli na Jylla yaki kendon ban penyat yaki Medical College bat ki jenat jingiate hapedeng Sorkar bat ki Samla puli ki bayo jingkershan na Sorkar. Larai ru baka Sorkar kan lum jingtip yaki yeng ki sem quarters and building properties ka balapen biang na kabenta kinong trei Sorkar hakeleng ki distrik kenang banla ban pendon kam yaki da ka bet berhenti bat kandon ru ka jingmentoy syaka pelapisa patba.
Under sponsored seats of the government of Meghalaya as of today have to sign a bond indicating that as and when the student passes the examination and qualifies for performing as a doctor, as and when the interviews are called, we will be conditioned to giving them a job and offering them a job. But having said that, this bond is in operation until such time that government decides to withdraw the bond. You must have seen in other sectors of education, we still have government-sponsored seats. Engineering still has seats, then you have BDS still has seats, and we hope that agriculture also still has seats, and we hope that we will be able to maintain the promise to give them a job if they come back to the state. But the bonds of these additional courses that you must have noticed are no longer there, but government continues to sponsor candidates. So in medical institutes, MBBS, the bond is still on. Meghalaya Private Medical Institution, regulation of admission, fixation of fee, and reservation ordinance 2024. Cabinet was pleased to pass the ordinance, which will come into effect post signing of the Honorable Governor of the state. Following that, the regulatory committee will be notified, and accordingly fixation of fees, application of reservation policy, distribution of seats as per norms of government, guided by various rulings of various honorable courts throughout the country. We now have approved it, and the USTM will be allowed to operate soon after the ordinance is signed by the Honorable Governor and it is duly notified. Any other medical college, because this ordinance is specific for the operational of a private medical college within the state of Meghalaya. As we said earlier, we have our own timelines. We are progressing positively and will likely meet our target of operationalizing the Shillong Government Medical College, hopefully for session 25-26, and the status of the Pynlong Medical College is very, very good. We hope to be able to also meet that target of having it operationalized in session 26-27. From time to time, we will update the people of the state of Meghalaya on the progress of these two other projects, but we are confident that we are meeting these deadlines. He is availing loan from the Asian Development Bank for implementation of the project Support Human Capital Development in Meghalaya Phase 2. Cabinet was pleased to to approve this proposal, and as per the cabinet note, government will now avail a 90% grant from the ADB, and out of this entire loan, 10% of it is a loan which the government of Meghalaya will pay in the long run. 90% of this loan will be paid or borne by the central government, as has been done or has been the practice all these years.